Followed by the audience. I request everyone to kindly take their seats. Education is the passport to future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. And Prerna indeed is an example to this. A pleasant and cheerful morning to all the dignitaries present here. Our esteemed chief guest for the day, Shri Amulya Kumar Pradhan, our DO sir, District Science Supervisor Sir, Shri Chandrasekhar Shah, BO Madam Levivara, Naina Bhujur, our very own Honorable Principal Sir, Shri T.K. Chattopadhyay, our senior most faculty member, Shri D.N. Swine, all the other respected escort teachers, GOV, parents, and my dear students. It's a matter of great pride that today our campus is exuberant with the young minds of our district. And I am also grateful to our dignitaries who have graced this event with their benign presence despite their busy schedule. On behalf of JNV Zinkanagar Sundargarh family, I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who are present here on this auspicious occasion when we are celebrating Prerna Utsav at district level. Prerna Utsav is an experiential learning program which is an initiative of Department of School Education and Literacy. It comes under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. This initiative is geared towards providing a profound, distinctive and motivational experience to its participants with the ultimate aim of nurturing leadership qualities and critical thinking among the students. It's a platform where history meets innovation and tradition is seamlessly woven into a future-focused educational experience for our Viksit Bharat. The essence of Prerna lies in its unwavering commitment to integrate the principles of Indian education system, our traditions, and also the philosophy of value-based education, which has also been serving as a fundamental pillar of the NEP 2020. It is designed for students of grades 9 to 12. This thematic framework aims to inspire the youth, fostering a deep respect for Bharat's unity in diversity and embodying the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And the goal, of course, is to empower the students to become the catalyst for positive change as they are our future, inspiring